Sure, here are some popular and potentially profitable side hustles that could work as additional income streams. Remember that the effectiveness of these opportunities can depend on various factors like your skills, location, and the amount of time you're able to dedicate to them. Freelance work. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can connect you to people in need of various services. Depending on your skills, you could do everything from writing and graphic design, to programming, consulting, or virtual assisting. Tutoring or teaching. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, consider tutoring students. This can often be done online, making it a flexible option. Alternatively, you can create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. E-commerce, dropshipping. Websites like eBay, Amazon, or Shopify allow you to sell physical products. With dropshipping, you don't even need to handle the merchandise yourself. You simply create the online storefront, and your supplier handles fulfillment. Rideshare, delivery services. If you have a reliable car and spare time, driving for companies like Uber, Lyft, or doing deliveries for services like Postmates or Instacart can provide extra income. Real estate investment, renting. This can require a significant initial investment, but owning a rental property can provide steady monthly income. Websites like Airbnb also allow you to rent out spare rooms or properties on a short-term basis. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, social media following, or a YouTube channel, affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn passive income. You promote products or services and earn a commission on any sales made through your affiliate links. Stock market, cryptocurrency trading. This requires knowledge and comes with risks, but some people generate substantial income through investing in stocks or trading cryptocurrencies. It's important to educate yourself thoroughly and consider seeking advice from financial advisors before getting involved in these activities. Remember that these side hustles usually require a significant amount of time, effort, and sometimes financial investment to start, and there's no guarantee of success. It's important to do thorough research and consider your own skills, interests, and resources before diving in.